So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share live location in your Android smartphone. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So there are various methods so that you can share your live location from your Android smartphone. I'm going to show you from Google Maps, as Google Maps is installed in everyone's phone. So first of all, let's open Google Maps in your Android smartphone. Here in the top right corner, you can see your profile picture. Click on your profile picture and go to the location sharing. Here you can see an option of share location. Click on share location. Now here you'll be able to share your location in messages, Chrome, WhatsApp, email, anywhere you want. You can also choose until for 1 hour, 2 hours, 45 minutes, 35 minutes. It will share your real time location for that much time. Or if you want to share a live location till you turn it off, you can select until you turn off and it will share your live location until you turn off, or you can just set for how much time to share your live location. So that's how you can share live location from your Android smartphone. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.